This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can insert links in Google Sheets. If you want to insert a link, this is how you can do that. If you're starting from scratch, you can right-click on your mouse or tap two fingers on a trackpad, which will open up this menu, and then select Insert Link. From there, you can insert the text that you want to appear in the link here. So for example, if I want this video to point to Google, I'll just type Google. Or if I want it to say Google, I will type Google. Then here you can paste a link or you can search for the link. So this searches your Google Drive. It also can search the web within reason. So if I want this to point to google.com, all I need to do is type google.com, and then you will see here that google.com will appear. When I click on that, that link is now set to point to google.com. If you have existing text in your spreadsheet, for example, what if I wrote Yahoo here and you wanted to add a link on top of that, you can click on that and on your keyboard select Control K, or on a Mac, select Command K. And then from there, you can follow the same process as before. And notice that because you typed Yahoo in the cell, Yahoo appears. It already goes ahead and searches for what you typed in the box. So I can just click Yahoo, and now Yahoo is linked. If you decide that you don't want the text to be linked anymore, all you need to do is hover over the text. And when this box appears, click this icon to remove the link. And so I will repeat that with Google. If I don't want that link anymore, all I need to do is hover over the word, wait for this box to appear, and then select remove. If I decide I want to edit something about this link, what you do is you hover over the text, then you click the edit link, and then from there, you can change the text that appears. So I will type Google Drive, and you can also change the website that it points to. So I will put drive.google.com there. Click apply, and now this will point to Google Drive with the link changed as well as the text. So this video shows you how to insert and remove and edit links in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.